The program and the consistent high ratings are enough to get to the top answer. The most popular TV program, Talent Search Reality Game.
Not sure if this is because of his role as a straight police officer gone bad or his romantic and bittersweet love triangle with Lena and Marites. But in all of his scenes in FPJ's Batang Quiapo, he was truly effective dahil kung bibilangin mo yung mga dami ng bashers niya. From the netizens and of course the viewers. Ayan. 2024's TV Supporting Actor of the Year, John Estrada.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Mrs. Tatiana Gorayev Dularia.
Kaya Dick, pasensya na, hindi kita kasing tangkada. Of course, I want to thank first and foremost sa Guillermo Foundation Awards for such an honor. At syempre, I want to share this award to the crew and staff of Batang Quiapo, sa mga directors doon, sa mga artista, sa mga directors ko, Direk Richard, Direk Darnell, and of course, sa poging-pogi kong director na si Manu Sibilla. And to ABS-CBN, maraming salamat. And of course, I want to share this award sa utak at puso ng Batang Quiapo, ang aking kaibigan, aming leader, aming creator genius, aming hari, na si Coco Martin. Malis na siya, but Coco, this is for you at maraming salamat sa tiwala mo at paniniwala mo kay Kuya Jan para gumanap ng isang Rigor di Magiba. And of course, I want to dedicate this award to the loves of my life, my kids, Ina Moira, Kyla Yuan, and of course to my baby Anechka. Thank you so much, my love, for coming with me tonight. And thank you for supporting your dad every single day. I love you all, and maraming salamat sa award na to. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Good evening.
The Box Office Awards. Bilisan mo, Tito Homer. Run, Homer, run.
Role as Iris Buenavides de Vera in Lavender Fields has received good reviews and has transformed her natural sweet image into an effective villain, contributing to the consistent high ratings of the series as well. Congratulations to our TV Supporting Actress of the Year, Janine Gutierrez.
Kakahulog ko lang sa upuan ko. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Hello po. Una-una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat syempre sa Guillermo sa award po na ito. Hindi ko po talaga inaasahan nung una akong nagsimulang magtrabaho para sa Lavender Fields na magkakaroon ng mga ganito. So maraming salamat po. Thank you to Dreamscape, to ABS-CBN, of course, to Sir Deo and Tito Leo na inumpisahan tong project kasama ako. And of course, sa co-actors, Echo, Ate Jody, Ate Jolens, and Direk Manny, Direk Jojo, at sa lahat ng bumubuo sa Dreamscape. Thank you talaga, maraming salamat po. At syempre, bukod sa lahat, thank you sa fans. Thank you so much kasi talagang buong-buong tiwala nyo sa akin. Kahit ako wala masyado pang tiwala sa iba-ibang role. Nauna na po kayong nagtiwala sa akin. So malaking bagay po yun. Maraming salamat po. And I dedicate this to my family who's here tonight. Siyempre, bihira lang kaming magsama-sama sa ganitong klaseng event. Pero ngayon, dahil we're honoring also Mamita and Mama Gaya and Tito Ricky, I dedicate this also to them. And I'm so happy that you're here tonight. My mom and Tita Jackie and my cousins. And yun lang. Salamat din sa mga lola ko kasi sobrang laking inspirasyon nila simula nung bata pa lang ako. And of course, Tito Ricky was one of my first directors. So, mahal na mahal ko sila and mahal na mahal ko kayo. So, thank you very much. Thank you, Guillermo.
From television, we now recognize the best supporting actors for cinema. As a prison guard in the movie Green Bones, gave him the opportunity to show his outstanding acting talents, which was rewarded with the Best Supporting Actor trophy in the recent MMFF 2020